Hey guys, we're back. It's the iPhone day. Today we're coming at you with the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Mini. So we have the Sierra Blue brand new colorway in the Pro, and I wanted to check out the Project Red in the Mini. So today we're just going to do a quick unboxing, take a look at the colors in person, take a look at the sizes between the two. I've always been curious about the Mini. I haven't had a small phone since probably a Galaxy S2. And ever since I started using iPhones, I've always used the biggest one possible. So this is not the Max, it's just the smaller Pro, but I wanted to give the smaller size a shot this year. So let's take a look. Let's start with the Pro. All right, so I'm sure you guys have heard all the other videos that are out. There's no plastic around the box now. So Apple is trying to conserve on plastic use, so I'm sure they're going to be shipping a ton of these things throughout the year, so just saving that little bit of plastic can really help. So now we just have these little paper tabs, so let's get it. And that's all. Put this off to the side, pull out the phone. And I'm really liking this. To me it's a light baby blue. People will say it looks like a faded blue, but it's like a silvery light blue. Sorry about that. But man, I'm just seeing how big the camera sensors are on this thing. So it's still just got the paper front. That's a good feeling. Turn this on, put it to the side, see what else we got in the box. I mean, we probably already know, just the lightning to USB-C cable, so USB-C and lightning. Looks like Apple might be forced into using just USB-C to comply with the EU, so we'll see how that goes. But other than that, you got a SIM ejector tool. We got the little Apple sticker and no charging brick, so better get your own. And this is the 256 gig. So I wanted to try out that ProRes video, and they don't let you do that when it comes to the 128 gigs. Kind of think they probably should have just scrapped the 128 and let you start with the 256, but it looks like they're kind of forcing people's hand on getting the large one. But I got the 256 last year with the 12 Pro Max, so I was probably going to get that anyways. But you see little fingerprints on there already. But the screen looks awesome. This has the 120 hertz screen, so first time ever on the iPhone. I know, every Samsung Android phone has had that for a few years now, but they're not moving as many phones per year, so that's why I think that Apple has to wait. But we'll see. So let's put that one down. Let's go to the Mini. All right, same thing, no plastic, just the paper tabs. We got the white box on the regular ones, the Pro or the Mini and the regular 13. So wow, that's red. That's really red. I haven't seen any videos on the red color yet, so I'm actually pretty excited about this. Again, the camera sensors are huge, and I really like the size. I'm not gonna lie. I was so curious about the 12 Mini, but because of the battery life being so bad, and I did not like the red, I just never got it. But now with this pretty bright blood red, and what people are saying is the better battery life, I'm hoping this one will be really cool for just some different video taking, maybe just bringing it to the gym, having just a smaller form factor for the first time in a decade. We'll see how I like it. But again, we got the same USB-C to Lightning, and looks like we got some color up in here too. So just the product red. So It used to help with the AIDS program back in. It says it still does. HIV/AIDS program. I thought they were helping COVID. Maybe that was just last year, but then just the same sticker. So I was thinking we were gonna get a red sticker, but nope, same one. So that's all that there is in that box. So let's turn this one on too. Let's peel this off. Let's turn it on. So I'm getting some major Michael Jordan, North Carolina, Chicago Bulls vibes with this combo right here. Let me know what you guys think. But like I said, I've always wanted a red iPhone, but they always used to come out in like the halfway through the year, and typically when I get a piece of tech, I usually want to get it right away when it's fresh. But not everybody's like that. They want to keep the line fresh, get people to buy it throughout the whole year. So I get it, but finally getting on my timeline. So I could tell just already that this phone, because of those huge sensors, is gonna rock a lot, but I'm gonna put a case on it anyways. So for me, that's not too big of a deal. I don't know if you guys can tell with the screen brightness. I can tell in person that the Pro is just much brighter. But what do you guys think about the scrolling, the refresh rate? Can you tell on camera? I can tell in person, and it's smooth. So I'm gonna set these up. I'm gonna start using them, and gonna take some videos, some photos, mess around with the battery life, do some testing on that, do some charging testing. We got the MagSafe here, so gonna test out my MagSafe accessories, my Moment holder, and my Belkin chargers. So we got some things to test, but overall, just by first look, I'm pretty excited about these. I know it's not a huge upgrade from last year with the 12s, but with the battery life, with the higher storage, I got the 256 on this, but it starts off at 128 now. So I think it's just an awesome deal for anybody that's in the market. You don't necessarily have to upgrade every year. I don't think that's Apple's plan. That's why it's kind of just incremental updates, but it depends on your situation. But we'll go into more depth, and we'll check you guys out next week. Again, this is Buck Life, and please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.